Hi, welcome to Nothing Will Go Wrong. This is a channel where we have tried and tested recipes which are definitely sure shot. So you watch this, you try them, and nothing will go wrong. Today I am making vanilla sponge cake. For this, we need 4 eggs. Crack them open in a bowl. Then you just need to whisk them so much that you are out of breath. Take 1 cup of sugar, add to the batter, whisk it and mix it nicely. Then add 1 cup of refined flour, any flour, multi-purpose. Then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, add to the batter. Then take 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Mix it nicely. Then add half cup of ghee or any neutral oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Add to the batter, mix it nicely as much as possible. Mixing is very important. So you can see the consistency. Heat a pan, preheat for 5 minutes, take another bowl. Then in this bowl you are going to grease it with ghee or any oil. Then take some flour and dust it. Here we are going to put our batter. Now the bowl is ready. Add your batter, then shake it so that any bubbles, if there are any, they will escape and we have a firm batter. Then in our big pan preheated, we will add our bowl, heat it for 45 minutes on medium heat, and voila, the cake is ready. Vanilla sponge cake made with ghee. You can use any oil also, but with ghee it is best. See how amazing it came out. Enjoy.